Tulaba nti kati Nokia esinga iPhone ku internet. Watu kimanyi genda ku internet. Kati Nokia Nokia ekizibu kye kiri ku Nokia. This year, Kati, let me tell you about Nokia. This year Nokia rebranded. What do you mean? This year Nokia rebranded. And Nokia is not just phones. Ne abantu abasinga mu butamanya balowooza nti Nokia is an old brand of phones. Nokia is like ahead of technology right now. Okinoonyerezaako. Naye ate my first phone was a Nokia and I loved it and I still have it. So. Ne iPhone nyingi ndizina akasuula ne Nokia yange cyane. Nokia yange akanji kulage.
The phone.
iPhone doesn't have a life. iPhone doesn't have a longevity. iPhone can't last. In my hands, it can't last 5 years. Because every year there's an iPhone. Why should I stay on the last when there's a new one? But when was the last time you say Nokia? Kati obantandikewa. Teri kintu mukyala wange kyakola kisimanyi. Era buli kimu kyakola nkimanyiiko era buli step yakola oli awo nze yatambula
agambe oyinza okubanga
nze sikirinaako kuzibu kubanga mukyala wange mumanyi abaleeta negative energy just demons bwamwe bubatawaanya nemwaga busiiga abalala so nze mukyala wange mumanyi byasobola okukola mbimanyi byatasobola mbimanyi so negative energy abaleeta negative energy ku social media bo benyini bali negative energy ebibatabula bingi kati baagala kubimala ku muntu mulala so and I support her if anything affects her bwekiba kimulumye nnyo I support her. Negative energy is not a scare.
It's really good to see all of you here. Thank you for honoring our invite. I'm super excited about this venture that is starting with Kyasobola collection. I am glad to be part of something so amazing. I love the perfume and I'm glad that when they called me to do this, I love the smell and I love the bottle, how it looks like, and even the name, it says my woman, because that is how my husband calls me this at the time. So I felt like this would be just for supporting. First of all, to put perfumes in there, I try to use a simple outfit for shaking it. Never to get up brand in brand of Tayina face, to what was just simple cheap. Economy yaffe ya Uganda so kikyasobola okunsanyusa osegera tezikunda kwongozida wali Uganda osegera so but then they are got their business in Awanda but also the fact that quality of perfume is so competing and brands is always that for me I was impressed and I want to be there or something like that.
Wasazewo Nokia yongereke ekintu
Amaanyi gaayo.
It's open to the public. Do you also collection of perfume? Yes, so I can give testimony. It's a beautiful perfume. So somehow you be saving money to wait at the boat for that perfume all the time. You know, the longer it stays on, the more you sweat, the more beautiful it smells. At the point that he going to trust my brand to do this, then he knows that I'm possible follows through. So it is trust from him to the company and companies that this you save it because he knows that he can trust. He can trust it. See, but they come and listen to that opportunity and content because they're going to contract them about presenting it to later. But here and this is what you and trust in myself to follow through with this contract. I send the agent because I know this about this company directly.
akasente ako kakamantiri kayali annually oba bakuwadde bafani bwe bagatumanyi bati
No, I think we contact with this and we're non-disclosure, you know, if you need to treat up with the public. And I want you to know that I've been very well paid for this to happen. So I will check out yes, but that is not the issue. We're here because it's a good product.
It's an honor to be here, and like the gentleman asked, I am just here as the support system. I'm not anywhere attached to this. As you can see, the brand says My Woman Agency, so it would be crazy for me as a man to represent the My Woman brand, but my wife represents it. If any brand at all that suits my caliber comes around and Mr. Ba appreciates me, I will definitely jump on board. I'll be happy to, because my wife has spoken a lot about him, a lot of good things, and he's come to the shows. I've seen him. He's for the few years I've known him, he's an honorable man, so I'll be happy to do business with him. For today, I'm just here to support my wife. Just give me
How do you feel when you get such investments?
I just don't know if I should answer that question. Let me just tell you to do like this. Whatever my woman does, I'm proud of it. It doesn't matter what. I'm proud of it. And I always say that. So this, for me, is an achievement. Yeah.
That is a really good opportunity. And it's unique. It's the most unique thing I've gotten because of that. To be recognized in such a ways is very different. Usually you get into things that are connected in the music industry, but this is not. So it's the most unique thing I've seen. It's a really good brand of matches that's the more you sweat, it loses this perfume actually is sweeter. The sweeter that the smell is. So, but the Jagara Mumanyi perfume Awanda, the Swaza. You get the My Woman perfume and smell nice.
AMANYI never entertainer.
For anybody, my husband is not a weapon that I use against people. My husband is good. Teaching what is going on there. Awanda in shooting something and working with another project. And my husband is always supportive. Sometimes you don't see him. Sometimes he's supporting when you guys are not there and he's there. So it doesn't mean it's I'm not here to make a statement to anybody. He's just here to support me. To show off your husband, to show him that you want him involved in other issues of your life and create that kind of ambience of trust. I think we're really need to try. If you're married, it's important for you to not forget how to be around, to not have secrecy between yourselves. The relationship. I hope I've answered your question.